Some people think that they can go to jail for owing back taxes. Under our system of law in the United States, you don't go to jail just for owing a debt. Now, it should be understood that it is a crime not to file a tax return. So if you don't file your tax returns, technically, you could be put in jail, although it's unlikely. Another myth is that a lot of people think that they cannot file bankruptcy on back taxes. A lot of IRS agents, as well as other lawyers, seem to believe that. Our firm has been getting taxes discharged in bankruptcy for over 20 years. Now, it's true that not all taxes are dischargeable in bankruptcy, but by giving us a call, we can do a thorough analysis and determine whether or not your taxes are dischargeable. We've gotten an awful lot of them dischargeable over the last 20 years. Another myth about the IRS is that people seem to think that the IRS has forever to collect their tax debt. Actually, there is what's known as a 10-year collection statute whereby the IRS has 10 years in most situations to collect the back taxes. Now, there are several exceptions to that, so it's important to give us a call so that we can go over those to find out whether or not, in your particular case, if you've been fighting this tax debt for years, it may be possible that you don't even owe the taxes anymore. We use what's known as the Freedom of Information Act to get inside information from the IRS that a person wouldn't normally know is available. And by that, we can be able to prove whether or not that collection statute has expired. Now, another myth about the IRS is people seem to think that when they go through a divorce and the divorce court says that one of the spouses is liable for the joint tax liabilities, they think that they're off the hook. In actuality, they're not off the hook. The IRS can pursue either spouse, and if the spouse is ordered by the divorce court or ordered to pay it, does not pay it, the IRS will pursue the other spouse, and then their only remedy would be to go back into the divorce court and sue their former spouse for contempt of court and not paying the taxes. There are some other myths, but I would say those are the biggest myths that are out there about the IRS.